Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you how to make this beautiful pyramid for your slideshow presentation using Google Slides. Firstly, name this presentation and clean the workspace. Then go to the menu bar, Insert, and select Diagram. Choose Process. Scroll down to the bottom and select the pyramid. This diagram has 4 groups, 3 description groups and 1 pyramid group. This 3-step pyramid is constructed with 8 layers of shapes. Now let's change the color of this pyramid and make some of the shapes transparent. Okay, great. Let's also change the color of the description titles. If you enjoy this video, please hit like and subscribe. This means a lot to me. Thank you. Changing the color of the small circles is a little bit tricky. Those layers are under the number text boxes. So we have moved the number text box to the side, change color, then move it back to the center of the small circle. Alright. All colors are changed. It's time to move on to the next exciting part. Adding animations. Before we add animations, we have to ungroup this whole pyramid, and then regroup them layer by layer. For the bottom section, select all 3 purple layers together by holding Ctrl key on a PC or Command key on a Mac. Right-click, then select Group. Wonderful! Now we've successfully separated the pyramid into 3 groups of layers. Also, we have 3 groups of descriptions. Select the purple layer. On the top menu, click Animate. Choose Fly from Top on click. Very good. Now repeat the same simple steps for the middle and top sections. Okay. Let's test this animation one more time before we move on. That's perfect. Now we want the descriptions show up right after each section landed. Yay! We complete all 6 animation steps. Let's have a final test. It looks beautiful yet professional, isn't it? At last, I want to make it look even better by adding a simple gradient background. Very good. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe and share. See you next time.